Hey there, Titans. In this video, I'll show you how to generate your document with Apex code. So we have a simple form here that pulls in opportunity information with its product by our op ID hidden. And once this form is generated, then we're running a push that creates a file that is mapped to our opportunity by its ID. So let's take a look at the mapping. So we're mapping the first published location ID to the opportunity ID and the version data to our PDF mapping. It could be a Word mapping as well. Let's take a look at our PDF mapping. So just a simple PDF, a little bit ugly, but for this purposes, that's fine. We're going to hit on settings, and then we have a couple of options here. So our first option is, first you'll need to select the opportunity, which object you want to generate the document for, and what to map, which hidden to map, which means what hidden will bring up all the information to the form. All the gets are running on the op ID, so this is why I've selected it. And then you can just copy this function and use it as you wish, as you like. That's the first option. The second option we've added for you here, in our package, we've added a class for you that will handle that for you. So the only thing you need to do is call this class and this method and pass in the parameters that you're going to be sending to Form Titan. So let's just let's just do a quick request. And we're going to do, this is our class name, and then you do the execute, that's our method. And let's pass in some parameters. So we need a list of record IDs. So let's query some opportunities. And the only thing we need is the ID, since in the form we're going to get all the information from there. So the only thing you need is just to grab the ID. And let's limit it by 3. And then we're just going to loop over the opportunities. So we're going to say opportunity ops, and just let's make a list of ID. And that's that. And now we're just gonna add the opportunity ID there. And we have the record IDs, so that's first. And now we need the form hash, the FT form hash, and the FT API key. So these we can grab either from the code. If we look in the code, we can see the variables, the form hash and the FT API key, or we can head to the process builder and then we just have it much cleaner. So we're going to pass in the form hash, just like that, and the API key. So we're going to do this and grab the API key as well. And this thing returns a string, so let's just say string res, and let's debug this thing. And we're ready to execute. Let's go ahead and execute. Alright, so we got this is an answer from Form Titan. So we got status true, which means everything is fine. And it will generate our docs. So let's just take a look at our integration logs in the Form Titan. So we'll see some more information on what we did. So I'm just going to reset. So we see we got 3 new Salesforce APEX requests. for 3 different opportunities, and in a moment it will generate our files, which will look like this. Let's just open the opportunity and we'll see the file that was attached. Here it is. So here is our attached file. Now if I'll head back and refresh this guy, it's generating our files. Here we go, 1, 2, 3, and this is how it's done.